Welcome back. So one of the viewers asked to take a closer look at this safety harness I use for saddle hunting. I don't recall his name and I can't easily find the video where he made the comment, but I'm going to take a look at it now. It's been a while since I looked at this, but this harness consists of a few parts. I had to add this just to give me more girth around my waist, my old waist. And but the main features of it, I have to count the pieces here, but so these two loops are on either side and they go to my bridge line here. They originate here. They're folded over, glued, and sewn, and then they come down, form the leg loop on each side. They come back up, they form this loop, go around back behind the waist to the other side, and down and around the leg, and then in the back this X is two separate pieces that form that X across the butt, and then the belt portion here just is sewn in here. It's not weight bearing, it just keeps it on, so it can be done in different ways, but I'll put it on now and show what it looks like on. And it's 2-inch seatbelt webbing. I used this at one time. This was 30 years ago. This was my saddle, and I just had I had this and climbing spikes, and I had a lightweight version platform, kind of like a tree stand platform, but even 30 years ago that thing weighed 10 pounds. It was next to nothing. So here it is on. This belt portion is just two short lengths with a buckle. And like I said, this main loop starts here, goes down around the leg, back arm, forms this loop, comes around the back to here, forms this loop around the leg, back up, ends here. And then these two are separate pieces. I wrapped this on me, and then we kind of pinned it in place and sewed it on a machine back in the day. So it could use more stitching in the where it's sewn together, but usually doesn't bear my weight, other than now for safety. But that's all there is to it. Any questions, hit me up in the comments, and thanks for stopping by.